Super juicy, perfectly cooked air fryer chicken breasts.
Start by tenderizing your chicken breast until it's a ½ inch thick like this. Then, to a small dish, add chili powder, garlic salt, onion powder, paprika, cinnamon, and black pepper, and combine. Now coat the chicken breast with that rub until both sides have been thoroughly coated with it. Then air fry for 8 minutes at 400 degrees, flipping it halfway through. Then slice it up and enjoy all this juicy chicken breast deliciousness.
Something that really helped me on my weight loss journey is learning how to cook foods that I would not get tired of and I could put together really easily. You guys know I love these chicken thighs in the air fryer. I season mine with seasoning salt, paprika, garlic, onion powder, black pepper, and a little bit of a brown sugar substitute, and then I coat them in oil, throw them in my air fryer, skin side down for 15 minutes, flip them over, and throw them in there for another 15. So good, super easy. If you try them, tag me and let me know what you think. So I saw this hack on TikTok a couple weeks ago, and when I saw it, I knew it would make such a good air fryer recipe. You're going to take a pack of chicken drumsticks and cut them along the bone so that they butterfly open like this, which is going to give you super crispy chicken on both sides, and they're going to cook a bit quicker. And then all I do is season them with some Danos and garlic salt. They're going to go in the air fryer skin side down for about 20 minutes, and then I flip them over, and then they only take about 10 minutes after that. They are so good. If you guys try it, be sure to tag me and let me know what you think.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and share, but don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you see more videos as they come out.